Hi. DNG Academy offers free online training on WCM, world-class manufacturing. In this session, following topics will be covered. Introduction to WCM. WCM pillars. WCM approaches. WCM foundation. Learning outcomes. By the end of this course, you will be able to 1. Define and understand WCM. 2. Describe WCM pillars including safety and health, cost deployment, focused improvement, autonomous activities, professional maintenance, quality control, logistics, early equipment management, EEM, people development, environment. 3. Apply WCM tools and techniques in a modern perspective. 4. Establish WCM tools and techniques in the industry organization. 5. Evaluate WCM tools and techniques in your organization to achieve your SMART objectives, organizational goal, and vision. What is world-class manufacturing WCM? World-class manufacturing is a structured and integrated program that involves all site processes and the entire organization from top to shop floor people. WCM's target is to continuously improve the site's performance, eliminating waste and losses. World-class manufacturing is a management philosophy and methodology aimed at achieving excellence in manufacturing operations. It is a holistic approach that focuses on eliminating waste, improving quality, increasing productivity, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement within an organization. 1. Total quality control, 0 defects. 2. Total productive maintenance, 0 breakdowns. 3. Just-in-time, 0 stocks. 4. Total industrial engineering, 0 waste. 5. Cost deployment, cost reduction. WCM is not a project. WCM is not toolkit of methods and tools. WCM is not restructuring program. WCM is not a technical job for operators and engineers. WCM is not top-down or bottom-up. WCM is not an activity-oriented program. WCM is not cost-cutting program. WCM is a program, a way of working. WCM is integrated production system. WCM is continuous learning improvement. WCM is a leadership and management program. WCM is top-down and bottom-up. WCM is a result-oriented program. WCM is safety, quality and productivity program. Why do we need world-class manufacturing? We need a production system which is simple, rigorous, flexible, powerful, involving people. WCM pillars. 1. Safety. 2. Focused improvement. 3. Cost deployment. 4. Autonomous maintenance. 5. Workplace organization. 6. Professional maintenance. 7. Quality. 8. Logistics and customer service. 9. Early equipment management. 10. People development. 11. Environment. Approaches of WCM. 1. Reactive approach. 2. Preventive approach. 3. Proactive approach. Reactive approach. 1. WCM principles. 2. WCM way. 3.7 WCM tools. 4. Safety management. 5. Environmental management. 6. Quality management. 7. Cost deployment. 8. Customers' needs and wants. 9. Focused improvement. 10. Autonomous maintenance. 11. Professional maintenance. 12. Workplace organization. 13. Customer service and logistics. 14. Early equipment maintenance. 15. People development. 16. Rewarding system. 17. Absence management. 18. Strategic alignment. Preventive approach. 1. Accurate information collection. 2. Strategic thinking. 3. Policy management. 4. Establishment of an action program to the near future. 5. Logical deployment. 6. Cost deployment. Proactive approach. 1. Real-time performance management (ORG). Financial performance. 2. Effective recruitment. 3. Effective communication. 4. Successful and functional motivation and team building. 5. Tracking and measurement of staff performance. 6. Effective career and progression planning process. Safety pillar. Reactive approach. 1. Legal requirement, standards and frameworks. 2. Safety responsibilities and integrated organizations. 3. Emergency safety plan and local legal requirement. 4. Incidents classification and principles of Heinrich Pyramid. 5. License to operate LTO and LTL. 6. Step 001. 7. Life-saving or golden rules. 8. SBO or DCA. 9. Incident stratification and area prioritization. 10.7 WCM tools. Safety pillar. Preventive approach. 1. Safety step 2. 2. Safety RCATWTTP. 3. Trend analysis and leading indicators. 4. Step 3. 5. Step 4. 6. Safety audit SM80. 7. Effective reporting of near misses. 8. Step 5. 9. Occupational health checkup. 10. Assessment, review and continuous improvement. Safety pillar. Preventive approach. 1. Countermeasures against human errors. 2. Effective communication. 3. Peer-to-peer observation and feedback. 4. Intrinsic safety design for equipment. 5. Intrinsic safety design for the workshop. 6. The first steps method of safety training. 7. Health advice. 8. Body age. 9. Fully autonomous safety culture. 10. Employee satisfaction. Focused improvement pillar. Reactive approach. 1.5 G. 2.5 W1H. 3.7 WCM tools. 4. QK. 5. SK. 6. MK. 7.7 QC tools. 8.7 steps of problem-solving approach. 9. Lead time reduction techniques. 10. Principles and operating standards for 0 BD and 0 defects. Focused improvement pillar. Preventive approach. 1. Advanced Kaizen. 2.7 IE tools. 3. Maintenance theory. 4. CP, CPK, QM matrix, 5 QF0D. 5. QC for incoming material. Focused improvement pillar. Proactive approach. 1.7 QC tools. 2. Theory of constraints. 3. Separation of labor from equipment. 4. Separations between operations and transportation. 5. Life cycle assessment. 6. Advanced PPA. 7. DOEA and OVA. 8. SCM. 9. IE with IT. 10. Ideal production system. Cost deployment pillar. Reactive approach. 1.5 G. 2.5 W1H, 5 WISE. 3.7 WCM tools. 4. Definitions of waste and losses. 5. Casual resultant losses. 6. Stratification up to single root cause level. 7. Stratification up to station. 8. A, B and C matrices. 9. D, E and F matrices. 10. Right projects and follow-up. Cost deployment pillar. Preventive approach. 1. Logical linkage between CD, KPI, and KI. 2. G matrix. 3. Finance people's guidance. 4. Choosing right projects based on market. 5. Consistent cost deployment for 5 years. 6. Computerized cost deployment. 7. Waste and losses in direct divisions. 8. Upstream and downstream divisions. 9. Logistics CD. 10. EEM CD. Cost deployment pillar. Proactive approach. 1. Ideal cost. 2. Cost reduction by inductive deductive. 3. Indirect waste and losses. 4. External losses. 5. EPM CD. 6. Value analysis value engineering VA. 7. Total industrial engineering. 8. Evaluation of staff towards improvement. 9. Evaluation of operators towards improvement. 10. Financial risk deployment. Autonomous maintenance pillar. Reactive approach. 1.5G. 2.5W plus 1H. 5Y. 3.7 WCM tools. 4. Maintenance theory. 5. Machine classification based on CD. 6. Breakdown maps. 7. AM Step 1. 8. AM Step 2. 9. AM Step 3. 10. Correct evaluation. Autonomous maintenance pillar. Preventive approach. 1. Machine classification based on P, Q, R, S, M. 2 point for categories of operators. 3. AM Step 4. 4. Quick Kaizen. 5. AM Step 5. 6. AM Step 6. 7. Machine data analysis. 8. Process data analysis. 9. Job cover matrix. 10. Correct evaluation. Autonomous maintenance pillar. Proactive approach. 1. AM Step 7. 2. Elimination of workplace waste and losses. 3. Production data analysis. 4. Man-machine chart. 5. Layout modification. 6. Creation of MP information. 7. Design in. 8. Reliability and maintainability design. 9. Design in. 10. Correct evaluation. Workplace organization pillar. Reactive approach. 1.5G. 2.5W plus 1H. 5Y. 3.7 WCM tools. 4. Minimal material handling. 5. Golden zone. 6. WPO Step 1. 7. WPO Step 2. 8. WPO Step 3. 9. Video monitoring method. 10. Line balancing. Workplace organization pillar. Preventive approach. 1. Motion economy. 2.7 IE tools. 3. One-piece flow. 4. 3 obstacles. 5. No forklift. 6. WPO Step 4. 7. WPO Step 5. 8. WPO Step 6. 9. 2 video camera method. 10. Picking methods. Workplace organization pillar. Proactive approach. 1. WPO Step 7. 2. Layout. 3. Visibility. 4. Wiring and piping for flexibility. 5. Tools and jigs. 6. Avoidance of WIP. 7. IE with IT. 8. Ergonomics design. 9. DFA. 10. IPS. For more free online training, please subscribe DNG Academy and hit bell icon. Stay connected.